Welcome back with me, Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Zoom Freak 4 Letter Pros. So let's check it out. As you can see here on the first sample, just like the other colorway, on the marking area here, the gap between the tip of the Nike shoes and the eyelets, it's too close. Look at on the authentic one, there's a lot more gap. Also this one, there is an empty space. On the fake one, there's no empty space on the authentic one. Another sample again, still same. It's too close. This one is there is empty space. It's looking terrible on the fake one, and this one also is too close again. This one a lot of empty space is here, also here, and also on the bottom here. The shape of the Nike shoes is also looking terrible. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see here on the marking area, the Nike shoes is slightly go down. It touch the midsole. It should be like the authentic one here. Another sample, still same. You can see the Nike shoes is slightly go down. It touch the midsole. Another sample again, it's still same. This one is slightly go down. Nike shoes, and also the midsole here. It's not on point with the line. It should be on point with the line here. And also the eyelets here, it should be on the middle of the curve. This one is slightly to the left. Moving to the back of the shoes, as you can see here on the heel, the line isn't centered. It should be centered like the authentic one here. Another sample again, this one slightly, the logo here on the midsole is slightly to the left. It should be centered like the authentic. Another sample again, as you can see, this one slightly to the left. And again another sample, still same. This one on top here, the Antetokounmpo logo is slightly to the right, and this one, the logo on the bottom here, slightly to the left. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any question, just write down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.